This is what the Triumph Scrambler 400X looks like in original stock condition. And this is what it looks like with the headlights, fenders, tires, horns, racing air filters, spark plugs, and especially the Revoke Performance full blacked out exhaust. For the Triumph Speed 400, we have especially made a slightly different looking exhaust system with the Revoke R7 as its main headliner. As you can see, the Speed 400 is more of a cafe racer concept, and thus it has the street looking exhaust from us to you.